All right, I got me a nice piece of black cherry rough cut wood from my buddy, and I am going to turn into a nice table. It's got some blemishes on it, which is good. That's what I want. So we're gonna try to video this, go step by step. This is how I plan on kind of using the table like this. This is the side I'm going to use up. It's got some funky spots here. Here's a funky spot there. That there. That I'm going to hit with my little chainsaw. So we'll see how this goes. Got a little project. Probably going to dump about 50 bucks into it. Stay tuned. This is the work area I'm going to be working at. Before picture walk around. It's been sitting in the garage for over a year. It should come out pretty cool. It's like a gunshot right there. I need to take this piece down just a little bit because it's higher. So this ought to be interesting. Just gonna try to cut that off a little bit, maybe do something right there just to give it some more character and to get this spot cleaned off. Good way to get it cleaned off is to do that. I don't know if I want to take all that bark off. I kind of like it. We'll just leave that like that. Got a rough spot right here too. I'm digging that. Cake. I like how that's coming out. I'm gonna work on this bark a little bit now. I'm gonna have to get my shop vac out. Just trying to get all this loose off. I found this brush in my toolbox that showed up in Amazon one day. Just telling a story about it. I don't know if I ordered it or if it was a mistake, but it's serving its purpose right now. See what I'm dealing with here. Looks like there's some bug holes. You can see the little ones. Top, I think we're going to stay with that with the top. I may sand it a little bit more. I gotta get my shop back out.
Nice.
I got this piece of wood about 75% prepped. Again, I'm trying to keep it rough. I got all the loose bark off. I got a little whoopsie here, but I'm going to leave it like that. I think it looks cool. Got some swirl marks, some cracks. That's all intentional. So this table is going to be very abstract in size. It's going to be about 18 inches tall, but it's going to look cool when it gets finished. So hang in there, because I'm almost to the point where I'm going to start putting the legs on and throwing some clear coat on it. I'm going to keep the natural color. It'll be leveled when I put the legs on. It's going to sit like that, I think, and it's going to tuck in the corner. I got a long lamp in the house that I'm going to set down. It comes up like this. So it'll be a corner table. That's initially the plan. Right, Finn? Where you at? Supervising on the boat. Got my spacers in there. There she is. In all her glory.
You want to coat on the edges now?
All right, it's time to finish the top. We did the bottom with a quick coat. We're gonna do the top now and see how it comes out. We wanna go with a natural look, so we're using a warm gloss. That's what we're dealing with. Got a little bleed through from doing the bottom, which was expected. Okay, coat one's on and it's drying. After this is done drying, I'm gonna hit it with a piece of sandpaper lightly, and then proceed to put on as many coats as I can with 1/2 can of the polyurethane left. I'm trying to avoid going back to the hardware store and buying another quart. The polyurethane is 20 bucks a quart, maybe 15 on sale.
A few moments later.
This is coat 6. My brush got a little stiff last night. See if I can unstiff it. Is getting a little unstiff. Oh boy, I'm back. I gotta do the edges now. Coat 6. All right, this is day 3 on this table. Looking pretty good. Starting to really nice. I think I'm gonna do maybe one more last coat. And of course, we got that guy out there listening to the cicadas. Vinny. This is what I'm using. Good stuff. Got about a whole quart on that bad boy. All right, the table is finished. So let's take a look at it. I think I put maybe 12 to 15 coats of the polyurethane on. Here we go. There she is, which came out awesome. to look around here. You can see my legs down there. This side here came out pretty cool. The top, very smooth. I didn't go hardcore on the sanding job because I wanted it to look exactly like it came out. I'm a fan of the minwax polyurethane. The link will be in the description for the product. If you have any spare cool looking wood laying around, my recommendation is to get some of these hairpin legs. Go to your local hardware store and get some of that polyurethane and make yourself a cool table. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video.